Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Eclairs cake at home, step by step. First, let's master the choux pastry. Combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then remove it from the heat. Quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until the dough forms a smooth ball. Finally, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the batter is glossy and smooth. Now, let's shape and bake our eclair shells. Transfer the choux pastry into a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe 3-inch long strips onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown and firm. Next, we'll prepare the luscious pastry cream filling. In a bowl, whisk together 6 large egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk with a vanilla bean until it just simmers. Slowly temper the hot milk into the egg mixture, then pour everything back into the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the cream thickens. Chill completely for at least 2 hours. For the grand finale, let's assemble and glaze our eclairs. Once the pastry cream is thoroughly chilled, transfer it to a piping bag. Make a small hole at each end of the cooled eclair shells and pipe in the cream until they feel full. For the glaze, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the glaze, then let them set for about 15 minutes before enjoying your delightful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.